kiasi chisako erinde bachikwira oburaya ase chisako echo erinde guchigendereria bagokora asanyo delegates meeting yababwatani besako ya Wakenya pamoja rituko lya lero asa magacha Kisii ATC nigabarai kurwa ase county ya Kisii na barai besake yibateberu na emirobiro ya bene nero yokubasira abaremi ase nchira yabere buno moseketu Wycliffe Orenge areganiri roboti uru
okuboria nigo kwaruru gochia asa abantu bonsi kweli kiasi chisako erinde bagendere kibogema.
Tumekuja kuhudhuria na kufungua rasmi na hii Wakenya pamoja delegate meeting ambayo tumeongea na delegates, tumeongea nao kuhusu yale ambao county inafanya na ile ushirikiano ambao tuko nao, na tuna encourage, tunaambia watu wakuwe wanaweka pesa ndizo zinawasaidia na wapate ile ambao wanapatiwa ambayo inawasaidia wapeleke watoto wao shule na yale ambao wanajiendelesha.
Kagokuwa na asa magacha Kisii ATC abo ase sako ya Wakenya pamoja yatwara kumira na kwa bubata kwa mwaka abo ase banjureria chibaya lo chesake yo erigotingia oboroso bwaye nigo mosiyo bwe sake yo atebire buna eribu yakwerikia ase sake yo ekiagera nigegendera gukina aso bwango.
Leo siku hii tulikuwa na annual delegates meeting ambayo tuko na delegates wote from areas of representation. Leo ndio tulikuwa tunadekelea our financial books and see how we have performed. I thank the county government and especially the two ministers who represented the county for joining us in this day, and also for supporting the SACCO in its activities. Among other things, we had to make some amendments in our bylaws that will make members to be included into the SACCO and some to strengthen the institution.
Anena ke nigo mwabiso yo monene bwo bokoreri ase sake yo atebabuna nigo kirenga kero gyo koyekine sake yo elinde tware chinsakia isiko ya Gusii elinda bange baikero bokoreri bwabo.
Time what we have anticipated, though currently we are operating within a certain area, that is Homabay and Kisii Nyamira, we are planning to expand to other areas like Nairobi, Nakuru areas. So that's where we want to move to.
Nigo mwaziri bwe wizara y'oburemi n'ebyombe me county ya Kisii Elijah Obwori asengera buna Wakenya pamoja nere sako ebwaterenti y'abaremi nende ekobasira keboikiranu nigo kobasaba bagenderera gukora oburemi bw'ebintu aho buneka wana maua naboigo nechae.
Now Wakenya pamoja sako is a sako which has been in Kisii for quite some time, and majorly it is agriculture based. It supports our farmers, and because of that it is very crucial and pivotal, especially in this county, because this is an agricultural county. They support the coffee farmers through the farmer cooperative societies, which normally crushes the coffee beans. That is why it is very important that the SACCO needs to be sustained so that it keeps operating, because it has that niche target group of the farmers.
Abasaya na barabu nigo basabirwa soa ase sake yo elinde bachikuira oborai bwa matukari bosyo elioko yagendereria.
We are going to have inclusion of the youth, because the youth are the people who will ensure that there is continuity even in the future.
Ingolipotiria Nsoko TV kurwa sobo katakati mu Chibosonge county ya Kisii litariane Wycliffe Orenge.
Arenayo